Rising through compassion, Nagatehalli Ramesh in the journey of a conscience-driven life from a small village in Karnataka to an international stage in Kolkata. The life of Nagatehalli Ramesh reflects a rare union of poetry, activism, and human compassion. One reflects on the remarkable life of Nagatehalli Ramesh, poet, thinker, farmer, organizer and public intellectual, restless in spirit and incapable of remaining indifferent to injustice. Ramesh resembles the wise elder of a village who cannot remain seated when society calls for action. For him, an individual is not an isolated existence but a living limb of society. The generosity that resides in a single human heart, he believes, can become the delicate thread that uplifts an entire community. This philosophy quietly forms the inner pulse of his poetry.
ಬಾಳೋಣ ಬೆಳಗೋಣ ಬೆಳಗೋಣ
ಕೂಡೋಣ ಕಟ್ಟೋಣ ಬಾಳೋಣ ಬೆಳಗೋಣ
ಕೂಡೋಣ ಕಟ್ಟೋಣ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಬೆಳಗೋಣ
ಕೂಡೋಣ ಕಟ್ಟೋಣ ಬಾಳೋಣ ಬೆಳಗೋಣ.
संग मिलेंगे, संग रचेंगे, संग जिएंगे, संग खिलेंगे, संग मिलेंगे, संग रचेंगे, संग जिएंगे, संग खिलेंगे.
संग मिलेंगे रचेंगे जिएंगे खिलेंगे.
संग मिलेंगे संग रचेंगे संग जिएंगे संग खिलेंगे.
Poetry rooted in compassion in many of Ramesh's poems, the recurring image of Ava, the mother, emerges as a powerful metaphor for compassion. It is the image of a mother whose heart trembles at the hunger and suffering of society. Ramaya described him as one of the finest, human crops, produced by the cultural soil of the 1970s, a seed meant for the future of the land.
Together, let's live together. Let's shine together. Let's come together. Let's build together. Let's live together. Let's shine together. Let's come together. Let's build together. Let's live together. Let's shine together.
Let's come together. Let's build together. Let's live together. Let's shine together.
Even after absorbing the violence and hardships of society, Ramesh retains a conscience so tender that he would, in Ramaya's words, pour water even for the roots of the last drying crop in the farthest field. Echoes of Chaplin's humanity, the spirit behind such words evokes the life of Charlie Chaplin. Chaplin too grew up amid poverty, humiliation, and hunger. Yet when he rose to become one of the greatest artists in the world, he did not respond to society with bitterness. Instead, he chose to make the world laugh. A writer who acts scholar Nataraj Hulia once described Ramesh succinctly as a writer activist. The phrase captures a truth. A writer's responsibility extends beyond words. True creativity is inseparable from social commitment. Ramesh himself articulates this philosophy in simple yet powerful terms. Hands are not meant merely to receive. they are meant even more to give. His words echo the timeless wisdom of the Kannada saint poet Sarvajna, whose verses celebrate generosity as the true wealth of life. An international recognition, this lifelong commitment to human values has now brought Nagathihalli Ramesh another international honor. The Bhasha Ratna International Award has been instituted in memory of two towering intellectual figures of India, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar and Dhirendranath Datta. The Nobel laureate poet Rabindranath Tagore once described Vidyasagar as a man who rose through dedication and moral courage, bringing ethical consciousness into education and public life. Inspired by such ideals, the award honors individuals who contribute significantly to language, literature, culture, and progressive social thought. This year, that honor goes to Nagathihalli Ramesh, the poet who inspires courage. Ramesh's influence extends beyond literature. His presence often inspires younger writers and thinkers to find courage in their own voices. The celebrated Kannada poet Nisar Ahmed once wrote with gentle humility, "Even while living among you, I could not become like you." In his short film, Yudhnu, he raises a powerful voice against the horrors of war, much like Chaplin did decades earlier in his iconic film The Great Dictator. Through haunting poetic lines, the film declares, "Your weapons may destroy lives, but they can never rule our memory." Another poetic visual work, When Everything Turns to Dust, reflects on the futility of violence and the quiet resilience of life itself. In an era increasingly troubled by war and conflict, these creative works resonate with renewed urgency. A journey from village to global stage, the Bhasha Ratna International Award carries a cash prize of 100,000 rupees, along with a memento, citation, and certificate. The award ceremony will be held on the 29th of March at 3 p.m. at the Krishnapada Ghosh Memorial Hall in Kolkata. From the small village of Nagathihalli near Nagamangala to the historic cultural city of Kolkata, the journey of Nagathihalli Ramesh symbolizes something deeper than personal achievement. It reflects the timeless truth that a single life, rooted in compassion and conviction, can travel far beyond its origins.
Ladies and gentlemen, what I'm saying, we have to adapt speaking about theory. First of all, I'm not happy because lot of innocent people victimized because of cyclone disorder. We are all, first of all, support my humble request to so many innocent people.